Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence in daily life. So I had more about AI and what is AI and what are famous AI we are using nowadays, what are the advantages and disadvantages. We can see one by one. Let's go. First we can see what is AI. AI is like machines that we are going to give the data to the AI to think and act like intelligently. And the first AI introduced in 1950s and 1990s to in the games, in the small games. We used in like example like we have a what's that? We have a IBM Deep Blue. It's kind of AI. It's created by IBM company, which is competed with human. It defeated also actually. It owned the game, chess game. Then we have in 20s it became so popular, like people started to learn machine learning and big data. They started to use the big data. Like machine learning is a part of AI, which is like we are giving the more data to think without directly giving any programmings. And we have then it started to enter into our smartphones and smart devices, and in everywhere we can see the result of the AI. Then we have in 2014 and 2011 the voice assistants came. Everybody started to use the voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. Yeah. Then we can see how AI helps in every day. Like in nowadays we have some popular AIs. So I collected those popular AIs. First does anyone know what is ChatGPT?
Yes.
So who are everybody using ChatGPT in every day?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. ChatGPT, it's like created by OpenAI company, which is like we can use it for anything. We can get information from ChatGPT. We can learn whatever we want, and we can tell him to create the images. And we have Siri. Siri was in our iPhone. You can see in iPhone actually. You can use it as a voice assistant. You can ask anything you want. Then Google Assistant, it is created by a Google. It is in our Google search engine. We are using the Google to search, and we are using as a in smart homes. Yeah. Then we have Alexa. Everybody knows Alexa. Like in advertisement, because of advertisements it became very famous. Alexa, that voice became so famous. Who likes to listen to Alexa voice? Same, we are using Alexa in our smart homes, and we can talk whenever we want to have a conversation with Alexa. We can have a free talk. We can ask anything we want. Then we have a Tesla autopilot. Tesla autopilot, it is used in the driverless cars, which we can, without drivers, it automatically operate the cars. Okay, who likes to travel in a driverless car?
Me.
No one?
Me. That's so interesting. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Only you? Nobody wants to believe AI? Yeah, let's go to YouTube and Netflix AI. YouTube and Netflix, so does anybody know YouTube and Netflix are AI?
Yes.
It's recommending the videos and images, audios, what we want to watch, what we are interested in it. It collecting data from us and it giving result. Like if you are searching, like if anyone looking for saris and kurta, if you are seeing in shopping apps, it collecting the data and store in the back end, and next day you can see every social media apps, like same data you can see, even it is listening to us. Okay. Then IBM Watson, it's created by IBM. I think it's used in healthcare, hospitals. You can see hospitals and business in IT field. You can see the IBM Watson AI. Then okay, people have some fears about the AI. I collected some few questions about that. We can see people fear about AI may take away jobs, from humans, and AI can be used to spread fake news. So did you heard any fake news recently?
Yes. About actor or actress new. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It gives some spread fake news. So we believe, we believe that fake news is actually. Then we have yeah, you know this point. AI can collect our personal data. So it collects our personal data from us, not from, like, it can't collect without your permission. You are giving the data to AIs. Then we have some people fear about AI may take over everything, like take over, overpower. It became overpower in the future. Yes, sir. Then we can see the dark side of AI.
Is this the video?
No, sir. Just next. Some controversy surrounding AI generated images. So first we can see copyright and intellectual property infringement. Like, copyright intellectual property infringement means, like, when AI created or trained it, the user giving more input, it collect trillions of input from the servers, and it uses in everywhere without original user consent. If I am the artist, I created my product, but it took my product without my permission. It using it everywhere without any compensation. So it may lead some problem to artists and original users. And privacy breaches and data misuses. Privacy breaches and data misuses is like, recently in this year, recently it became popular, Ghibli heart and nano banana. Like, whenever we giving if you using ChatGPT, when we give our photo or images to the ChatGPT, it took our data, like our sensitive data. It collect our every feature. It's scanning everything. It's actually collecting our data, like it's stealing us. And it may misuse somewhere. In maybe our identity can steal from some, like our identity can steal by someone. Yeah, example, I think in everywhere it happened, in social media, one girl started to follow the trend. She uploaded that photo in the Gemini AI, and she gave some prompt to the AI, and she got that, like she had a mole in her hand. Even it can see our mole, like personal sensitive images in everywhere. So be careful, guys. Then we have deepfakes and misinformation. Deepfakes, like AI can create fake videos. We can believe that videos, it is true. Like some people can who are not technology savvy, they can believe that videos. It may lead to spread the misinformation to everyone. We can share, like whenever we get any information in WhatsApp, we used to share to everyone. So it may lead to get bad knowledge. Then we have algorithmic bias and stereotypes. Algorithmic bias, when AI trained, if it get 1 billion or trillion of data in the back end, first what it does, it collect, it organized everything, align everything, then it became bias to some group of people. Example, like men can't cry. Men will not cry. Only humans can cry. Like that, it get unfair result. It also gives unfair result to us. Then yes, sir. Some AI created by a fake video and original video. Yeah. So did you find anything like we can't find it is real or fake, but we some people believe that it is real.
Yes.
So how we can be careful with AI, how we can use AI with knowledgeably and wisely, we can see one by one. First, we need to be careful with information. What information we are giving to the ChatGPT and what we are getting information from that. We need to be careful with whatever we are getting from the chat. Then protect your privacy. to protect our privacy, we should like use wisely with knowledgeably what data we are giving to the AI, what data we are asking. So we need to be protected. Yeah. Then first we need to use trusted apps. Trusted apps means like good rating apps and which are available in the Play stores, and we shouldn't download from anything from like dark web, and we shouldn't use it. Then whenever you see the any mistakes, if AI gives any misinformation to you, you should complain to the developers. You should report to them. Then they can solve that problem. You can use it easily next time. Then so stop learning about AI. Keep learning about AI, guys. It helps in your future because today's world became totally digitally. So learning about AI is very important to everyone.
Alright guys, this is
Real-time robot used by ISOSpeed.
Now we're about to go test it out and let's see what he can do. Okay, now sit. Good boy, good boy. Give me your ball. Give me your ball. I spent 100. Good boy. 100K robot. Backward. Do that. Oh! Forward. Turn it out. Turn it out. That's it. All right. That's it. Turn it out.
Okay, I have some questions to ask you guys. Okay, do you think AI can replace humans?
So I have to answer, right? Yeah, my answer is hell no.
Big no.
Yeah, because of AI can take some parts of us, can take over some part of a job, right? But they cannot take all. So we still need human. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, that's it.
If AI learns from humans, is it getting smarter or just picking up our bad habits? Who wants to answer for these questions? I want more answer.
Let me try. So, whatever program we make reflects our bias. You were speaking about bias earlier, right? When you make a program, you add bias into it, right? So what we are human beings. So what the product that we make will reflect our nature. Yeah. Yes. So that it will be like our almost like our child. AI is like our child.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly correct, sir. Thank you so much for your answer. Then, if your AI assistant start flirting with you, is it romance or just good programming?
I think it's good programming because I believe people who sit in here, they have ever been like assistant about that AI or ChatGPT, right? About the flirt or love. When we love someone, we cannot consult everyone, and I can consult about in ChatGPT like that. Yeah, I think it's a good programming. Yes.
Exactly correct. Thank you so much. Then, thank you so much. No. Do you have any questions to me? No. Okay. Do you have any questions to me?
Yes. Abdullah has asked. Let Abdullah ask.
Yeah.
I'm asking about the best way to what they have to what they have to put inside that AI to without collect my information.
I think
Yeah.
I think it's not possible actually. It gets information from us. We need to be careful. We need to be knowledgeable. Like what data we are going to enter. We can't use VPN for those things and all.
Just to answer that.
Yes, sir.
On Google, you have Google Chrome incognito. You can go to incognito and search whatever you want, like flights, all that. Okay, it will not send the data to that company or cookies. It's called cookies. Okay, about AI, ChatGPT, we don't know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next.
Next.
Maybe I have the answer, teacher.
Yeah.
Don't put your personal in there. That's it.
Person. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in your opinion, Bhavya, which sector will be most affected positively, of course, by AI in the near future? So I would like to ask you about healthcare, education, or finance.
Hmm.
In your opinion.
I think healthcare, finance, and education. I think education may affected. People started to get information from every information from the chat gpt. They are using ai. Maybe they can replace teachers also in the future. Yeah.
Thank you, Bhavya. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys.